Hi folks, in this video I'd like to ask you a question, and the question is about document cameras. Are you using your document camera on a daily basis? Although I am not in a classroom and I'm in a home office, I find many different uses for the document camera, both for work and for personal use. There are a couple of them that I really use probably every single day, one of which is the zoom capability. It's great being able to look at things close up and in detail. Now, the second thing that I like about the document camera is if I'm on a Zoom call and I want to be able to have a second camera, I use that document camera as a second camera, and now I'm actually able to show things in real time in a 3D objects rather than just doing a screen share. So in the comment below, or wherever the comment section is, I would like to know from you, how do you use a document camera? Or what do you think the best use case scenario is for a document camera? Thanks for watching. I'm looking forward to reading all of your answers.